For this project, we're going to focus on symmetry, meaning that both sides of an object are exactly the same. So we're going to start by creating a landscape. And we're going to have a piece of paper that's half blue and half white. This is going to be our sky, and this is going to be our ground. And we're also going to receive these little pieces of paper that are folded in half with part of a triangle drawn on it. This is going to help us to create some symmetrical trees. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my paper folded and cut on the black line to create a tree. Once I cut it out and open it up, you can see that it's created this pine tree shape. Now I have two other pieces of paper with slightly different color greens, and I'm going to cut those out as well. Now that I have these all cut out, you can see that I have three symmetrical trees, meaning that both sides are exactly the same. If we fold it, they match exactly. Now the next thing I'm going to do is think about my composition. How am I going to set up these trees on my paper? You can choose any way that you would like to. You could put them all near the top. You could put them all near the bottom. You can put some on top, some on the bottom. So see what works for you and then glue them down wherever you would like them. Now the only other part that we're going to do today, once we've glued down our trees, is we're going to add a little bit of snow to the sky. You can even put a little bit of snow on your trees. So I'm going to use a Q-tip and a tiny bit of white paint and just put little dots all over the sky. Now when we're finished adding our snow, then we can just place this to the side to dry so that we're ready for our next step.